Hello, welcome. Today we are unboxing the Ip8 Hotwave Ip8, and it's a new one, so you're coming to unbox it now. This is the back side of the Hotwave Ip8. There we go. It's a new one, so we come to unbox it now. First have to check if this side is really sealed well before. Okay, now we go on to check the Android version of it, which is Android 6.0. Yeah, there's the Android 6.0, and we have 4G. It uses the 4G LTE. The dual camera, front camera is 8.0 megapixel, and then the back camera is 13 megapixel. And then we have the 1.5 octa-core processor, and then we have our 3000 milliamps of battery. 3000 milliamps battery. There you go. The high capacity, high voltage battery. And the RAM is 3GB. We have the ROM is also 32GB. And the screen is 4.7 inches. IPS is a touch screen. Okay. And then this one, the phone's color is gold. It's indicated gold color. So you're going to unbox it now. So let's go on. Take off, and then there we go. There we go. So here we have the pin that we can slot inside to get the dual SIM out, and here we have our phone here. Let's see what's in the box. And we have the cover, the plastic cover, and then we have 3.5mm jack, earpiece, and to have the USB cord charger, and then the charger also. Now let's go on to the phone. We have it here. That is the phone, and see the back of it is Hotwave indicated behind it, and it looks exactly like the iPhone 8. You can see it so flat and not heavy, and that is the speaker out. So the speakers, and there's a microphone, the speaker. Okay, so now let's, wow, it's So nice. Here you can see it. So nice. The back. Okay, now let's on it and see. Yeah, it's the IP8 Hotwave. Here it's a touch one. Okay, there we go, and that's is it. It's very nice. There we go. You see it. So nice. You can check settings. Go to settings. Here we go to deserve pay under security patch. There's a version. Yeah, there's a new nougat we have here, and then we have the 332 gigabyte room and the 3G RAM, and then we have 1.5 octa core, run very fast. Okay, so there, let's check out the camera aspect. The 13.0 camera, it's hardy. Yeah, take the front camera too. There you go, front camera. Right, so thank you for watching. Right, see you.